Words that describe or qualify nouns are called adjectives. Means when we say something about noun or describes a noun, it is an adjective that you know. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Sunny June brings the longest day. Your day is a noun, longest is your adjective. Sunny June, June is your noun, sunny is your adjective. December is cold and bleak. Now cold and bleak, these two are adjective which is told about December. Now there are three kinds, there are basically 6 kinds of adjectives. In this exercise we are going to learn about 3 adjectives. Adjective of quality, which shows the quality of a person or a thing. For example, good book, good. Beautiful picture, beautiful. Your adjective of quality. It tells us what kind of a person or a thing is. Adjectives that show the quantity of a thing are called adjectives of quantity. Means it tells us how much of a thing is meant. You cannot count quantity. Like whole, truth, whole. Little, tea, little. Much, courage, much. Third one, adjectives that show number are called adjectives of number. Adjectives which tells us how many of things or persons are meant. They are always used with countable nouns like 2 pencils, 12 months, 30 days. Your F question is underline the adjectives in these sentences state their kind. We have enough money to buy the tickets. Money, noun, enough. So adjective of quantity. Is there less pollution in cities now? Pollution, noun, less, adjective. Which kind of adjective? Quantity. This building has underground parking. Parking is your building has underground parking. Parking is your noun and underground is your adjective of quality. Parking is a noun as it is a name of an area where the vehicles are parked. In 2020, February will have 29 days. Days, noun, 29, adjective of number. Everybody noticed your new hairstyle. Hairstyle, noun. Which hairstyle? New. So, quality, adjective of quality. Your next question is on degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. When we compare 1 to 2 things, 2 to 3 things, then it becomes a degree of comparison. And we compare nouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. When you speak about one person, the building is big. My school building is bigger than my house. The parliament is the biggest of all the buildings. Means the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. Here in this positive degree we are not comparing with anybody. Comparative degree, you compare 2 objects, 2 people, 2 places. And we use than to compare. Bigger than, fatter than, madder than. The superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 objects, people or places. We use the for the degree. Means the biggest. Means out of all, the superlative, the best one is your superlative degree. Then you use the biggest, the fattest, the hottest. Your G question based on degree of adjectives. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in brackets. This library is the most famous superlative degree is most famous building in the town. Rabia is the again fast, faster, fastest swimmer in the school team. Lekha is a more talented painter than her sister Leela. Now two people are compared, Lekha and Leela's sister Leela. There are two persons, so more. This is the again most beautiful sculpture in the gallery. More beautiful, most beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. This park is more greener than, see here then we use the comparative degree. More greener than the one near Nina's house. With this I complete your poem, The Months. Read the poem, complete your exercises neatly and correctly. That's all for today. God bless you all.